Hello everyone, welcome to another learning time with Miss Blessing. In today's video, we are going to be learning about the different sentence types. By the end of today's lesson, you should be able to know the different types of sentences and how to use them. Come along, let's find out more. How many sentence types do you know? Pause the video and have a go. I bet you might have heard about this. Let's see how many you can remember. Welcome back. Do you know that there are about 4 different sentence types? Come on, let's get to know each one of them. The first is the question sentence. The second is the exclamation sentence. The third is the command sentence. And finally, we have the statement sentence. Can we repeat this one more time together? Question sentence, exclamation sentence, command sentence, and statement sentence. Well done. Let's get to see what each of these sentences does and how we can recognize them in a sentence. The first one is the question sentence. This type of sentence asks a question. We use a question mark at the end of a sentence to show that we are asking a question. Remember, a question sentence does what? Asks a question. And at the end of that sentence, we add what? A question mark at the end to show that we are asking a question. Now take a look at this picture. Take a look at this beautiful picture right here. I want you to pause the video and have a go. What questions can you generate from this picture? What questions can you ask? Pause the video and have a go. Welcome back. Did you think of the following? Why are you eating noodles? Can you see that this is a question and it has a question mark at the end? What about this one? How did you make the noodles? And finally, what are you eating? Did you think of any of these questions? I bet you did. Let's proceed. Now let's look at the exclamation sentence. An exclamation sentence is a sentence containing a surprise or an emotion. An exclamation is a sentence containing a surprise or an emotion. It sometimes begins with what or how. It is a full sentence because it has a verb and ends with an exclamation mark. Let's have a look at an example. What a sunny day it is. How beautiful this bag is. What a great movie that was. Did you observe that each of these sentences ends with an exclamation mark? Yes, that is one clue to knowing an exclamation sentence. When it contains a surprise or an emotion, know it's an exclamation sentence. And it sometimes begins with what or how. Remember, it is a full sentence because it has a verb and always ends with an exclamation mark. Pause the video and have a go at creating at least 2 sentences that contains a surprise or an emotion. Make sure it ends with an exclamation mark when you are done writing. Well done. Welcome back. Tom is here already waiting for us. Let's find out what we are going to be doing with Tom shortly. And right now we are looking at the command sentence. What is a command sentence? A command sentence gives an instruction. Like when you are telling someone to do something. Commands usually start with a verb. Now take a look at Tom one more time. What command do you think we should give to Tom? Pause the video and have a go. Welcome back. Did you think of these? Go to bed, Tom. Did you think of these other one? Keep the teddy. Now, did you notice that my voice changed when I was giving the command? Yes, when we give a command, our voice is slightly raised. Go to bed, Tom. Keep the teddy. Did you also observe that a command sentence can end with a full stop and can also end with an exclamation mark? Yes, it does. Now, how do we distinguish this from an exclamation sentence that also ends with an exclamation mark? Easy. A command sentence tells you to do something, but an exclamation sentence shows surprise or emotion. A command tells you what to do, like we have here. Go to bed, Tom. Keep the teddy. This gives you an instruction on what to do. But in an exclamation sentence, we have a sentence showing an emotion or a surprise. I hope you understood this. So an exclamation sentence, a command sentence, can end with a full stop or an exclamation. Okay, let's find out what a statement sentence is and what it does. A statement is a sentence that simply tells you something. It gives you an information about something or someone. A statement tells you something. It gives you an information about something or someone. Let's see some examples. The beautiful green bird is flying. The beautiful green bird is flying. Now, this gives us an information about the bird. First, we get to know that the bird is beautiful and it's also green. Can you see any other color? Yeah, I bet you can see the blue, right? What about the ash and near black color? I bet you saw those as well. So a statement sentence gives us information or tells us about something or someone, just like we have in this example. The beautiful green bird is flying. Now you're going to have a go at these following sentences. You're going to determine if it is a statement, a question, an exclamation, or a command sentence. Here we go. Where are they going? Is this a command? Is this a question? Is this an exclamation sentence? Which one is it? Pause the video and have a go. Welcome back. Did you say it's a question sentence? I bet you did. Well done. How do we know it's a question sentence? We know it's a question sentence because it ends with a question mark and it is asking a question. Well done if you chose question sentence. Let's have a go at another one. Stop eating right now, Tom. Is this a command? Is this a question? Is this a statement sentence? Which is it? Pause the video and have a go. Welcome back. Did you say command sentence? I bet you did. Yes, it is. Stop eating right now, Tom. It's a command sentence because it's telling Tom what to do. Remember, a command sentence tells you what to do. Okay, let's have a go at another one. Oh, what a beautiful sunset. Is this a question, a command, a statement, or an exclamation sentence? Pause the video and have a go. It's an exclamation sentence. Well done if you chose exclamation. How do we know? It ends with an exclamation mark and it contains an emotion. Yes, it does. And then finally, there is a green and red apple over there. What type of sentence is this? Pause the video and have a go. Well done if you said it's a statement. How do we know it's a statement sentence? We know because it gives us an information. It tells us that there is a green and red apple over there. I hope you understood today's lesson and you remember that we learned about 4 different types of sentences. What are they again? Okay, they are the statement sentence, the command sentence, the question sentence, and the exclamation sentence. Now have a go at creating your own sentences that include these 4 different types of sentences. How do you feel with the lesson today? I bet you feel confident. I know you do. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more videos. And this is me saying bye for now. I'll see you in the next video. Bye everyone.